Good evening, Tashidele. Good to be here. And thank you to the Tibetan Women's Association for inviting me back. Today, it's a day of remembrance, remembering those those who have lost their life in defending of Tibetan homeland, in rising up against the brutal occupations of Tibet by the Chinese government. On behalf of the Toronto Association for Democracy of China, we only formed 36 years ago, right before the June 4th Tiananmen Square massacre. As a Canadian of Chinese descent, I'm shameful of what the Chinese dictatorship has done. As a Canadian, as a human rights activist, we are here to say we'll stand with you and we will walk together until Tibet belongs back to Tibetans. I also just want to say, as an activist in the labor and the women's movement, last Saturday it was the International Women's Day. So it's still not too late to say Happy International Women's Day to all the Tibetan sisters here. It's, in a way, it's in recognizing women are the backbone of every community. Without the women, girls, the community is incomplete. Women are the protectors of the land and the water. And in that sense, it's a protector of human rights, democracy, and freedom. There's so much from all the communities that we can learn, and we are learning so much from the resistance and the resilience of the Tibetan community. Over the last 66 years, not only have you organized and mobilized locally, it has now become a global movement of resistance for democracy. And we hold you as the beacon of all our universal struggles for human rights, democracy, and freedom. And for that, we thank you, and we'll see you again and again. Thank you very much.